Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Jupiter, rules Sagittarius, sub-ruler Pisces, exaltation Cancer, detriment Gemini, fall Capricorn, responsible, knowledge, digestion, married, Jif, first letter of the Greek spelling for the god Zeus, represents, benevolent, protective urge, anatomy, arterial blood, circulation, the liver, thighs, hips, feet, right ear, upper forehead, glycogen and fatty tissues, pancreas. Keyword, expansion, general, rules wealth, leisure time, big business, the higher mind, optimism, height, growth, morality, prosperity and indulgence. Also higher education, philosophic reasoning, aspirations, sports, luck, long-distance travel, hunting and fondness for animals. Jupiter is the judge, the lawmaker and the helper. In earlier times Jupiter was known as the greater benefic. Jupiter's action is orderly and promotes health and growth. Where you find Jupiter in the horoscope is where you often have good fortune and like to spend your leisure time. Third house, here. It shows your immediate environment. Short trip, communication, conscious mind, early education, brothers and sisters. Natural sign is Gemini. Natural ruler is Mercury. Keyword is awareness. Third house is a house of side-by-side relationships and air. Quality is cadent. General. The third home will be your local environment, your siblings and all forms of communication, such as speaking and writing. It also indicates transportation including short trips. It shows the adaptability of your mind to learning and with new ideas, your ability to relate to your environment and your license skills. It shows the conscious and objective part of your mind in your elementary school. Jupiter in the third house. Jupiter is also in the third house of your rankings, which means that thoughts, especially philosophical ones, are abundant in your life as you try to expand your mind in different ways. Reading, studying, traveling, correspondence courses, newsletters and interest groups are all part of your quest to learn more about yourself and life in general. You are surrounded by books, magazines and other publications that provide a lot of food for thought. You are always optimistic and like to communicate with other people, whether through conversation or correspondence. You are a thoughtful person and writing letters, emails and text messages are just some of the ways you want to stay in touch with your friends. The way you manage to incorporate this into your busy schedule continues to amaze your friends. If so, then you will probably succeed in finding a publisher. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.